At the same time, like, okay, I dodge here. Okay, I move here. What's
Alright.
agony? And I just go to the icons on instinct.
Yeah.
I just
Alright,
finished Blade Runner. I just
Oh yeah.
One on a Tuesday and Thursday.
Barrett.
You taste like cigarettes and hurricanes. There's a warning written in the corners of your face. Whiplash, and you left me in a vapor trail. Now I know it's safe to say
So yeah, we'll have to
nothing's perfect anyway.